In this guide, I'll show you how to redeem game vouchers on your Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do is open up the Nintendo eShop and sign into your Nintendo account that has the game voucher. And then what you want to do is navigate to the profile icon in the top right corner and select it. From here, you can scroll over and scroll down. Now currently it looks like there's only Nintendo Switch game vouchers. I'm sure in the future there'll be Nintendo Switch 2 game vouchers. So here you can see just beneath it I have a game voucher. So I'm going to select redeem, and then it's going to show the game catalog for all the games where you can redeem it. So once you find the game you want to redeem your voucher on, you can select it, and from here you want to scroll over and select continue, and then you want to scroll down and select redeem. Now when you do this, it'll just take a few moments, and then you can close out. So after a few seconds, you should see the virtual game card is added, and you can press OK, and then it'll be added to your Switch too. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.